Did you know you can make PDF scans straight from your iPhone? Open up your Notes app. Click the new note icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Once you have a new note open, click the camera icon. It will give you a few options. Select Scan Documents. Take a picture of the item you wish to convert to a PDF. In this case, it is my hand-drawn graphic novel. Once you've taken the photo, it will give you the opportunity to fix the outline of the document. Continue taking pictures until you've reached the end of your document. The document is now saved as a note. You are now free to share your newly created PDF. Click on the upper right-hand corner where you see 3 dots in a bubble. Click Send a Copy. Here you have a variety of different ways to share your document. I find the easiest way is to first get the document on your computer. You can email it to yourself, share directly to your Google Drive, or airdrop it to yourself. Congratulations! You have now made a PDF from your iPhone.